We bought this rundown dresser from the thrift store for $40. Right off the bat though, the knobs were a pain to remove. So I ended up busting the knobs so I could get a hold of the metal piece and unscrew the nut. Then I cleaned the dresser. And I removed the loose veneer with a putty knife thing to get under all of it and pry it off. I absolutely love the detail on the drawers, but the veneer was loose and chipping off of them too. But instead of taking all of the veneer off of these, I glued it back on the best that I could. The next day I removed the rest of the veneer from the top with the help of an old iron and a wet towel. I'm not gonna lie though, it still took me over an hour to take off the veneer just from the top, but it was so much easier this way than without the iron and the towel. And then we took the dresser out to the garage and I filled the sides of the dresser with Bondo. On the drawers, I used quickwood to fill the chips because I can mold the quickwood to the right shape that I need. I came back a couple of hours later and sanded those down flush with the wood around it, and then I sanded everything else just to make it feel all nice and smooth. And I sanded the top of the dresser smooth, and I even sanded all of the paint off of the edge too. There was so much sanding on this project. Then I cleaned off the dresser and I primed it with 2 coats of clear shellac. And then I was ready to paint. So for this project, I mixed up a custom color with Melange's all-in-one paint line. I mixed up basically a 50-50 ratio of Basilisk Black and Jacob's Well, with probably a little bit more of the black than the green. And I ended up spraying on 3 coats of paint. When the paint was dry, I removed the plastic from the top and wiped 3 coats of some satin water-based polyurethane on to protect it. While that was drying, I tried out a couple of different types of hardware. I tried on some white knobs, some gold knobs, some black knobs. I was torn between the black and the gold ones, but I think I needed a different style of gold knobs. And here's what it looks like now. We went with the black knobs and I absolutely love it. I am so glad that I kept the detail on the drawers, and I absolutely love this custom color. And the paint, man, it is a perfect finish. It's so stinking easy to use. All right, what do you think? What hardware would you have picked? Let me know in the comments. Want to turn your hobby into cash? Click the link in my comments to download the free pricing guide that we use to buy and sell furniture.